colleagues, it's Dr. LaRee Johnson again. I am so delighted to return to Dubai and the CAPP Training Center to talk about real-world pediatric dentistry. And I thought it'd be fun today to let our team here talk about it with me. And I'm just going to take this and we're going to start it out. All right, Jackie and Megan, what do you consider real-world pediatric dentistry?
Winning the trust of our children and friends.
With behavioral therapy.
What do you think, ladies?
Being efficient and getting the job done.
Nice. And let's see here. What do you think, Jenny and Darlene?
Placing beautiful restorations.
Oh, we're going to talk about that for sure. And Amy?
It's pulp therapy.
Oh, yes, we're going to be discussing a lot of pulp therapy. And ladies?
Delivering space maintainers.
Oh, yes, that is the cornerstone to setting up management of the developing occlusion. And what do you think, Evan? What do you think is real-world pediatric dentistry?
Being able to deliver pain-free local anesthesia.
Wonderful. And Dr. Reading and Deanna?
Treatment planning.
For success.
Well, excellent, guys. We can't wait to see you. Talk to you soon. Bye.